I took this particular trade here because this inverted hammer and this strong candle, this full mariposa candle, did not engulf this particular big candle. Assuming this inverted hammer and this big candle engulfed this candle, I might have like waited for maybe another candle should form before I enter the trade. But because they did not engulf, you know what engulf means, and this candle shows a lot of strong seller in it, like the buyer don't even have a chance at all. So that is the reason why I took it. And also you can see MACD is on downtrend. The second indicator is on downtrend. Moving average also is on downtrend. Also, I take note of these red at this in on this indicator MACD. The red is at the top and green is at the bottom. Yet the green is at the top and red is at the bottom. Assuming two of them they are red, they have the same thing, they have the same look, like this green is at the top here and this green is at the top here, this red is at the bottom and this red is at the bottom. It might give me some concern, but because they are not looking similar, that is the reason why I just take the trade and I won, even though you see the late entry also, but I won. I took this particular trade because this candle already gave me this something like red doji, red doji. You watch my video so you understand why I'm calling it red doji. If it's on uptrend, that is when you can call it real doji. But at this place, it's not really red, it's not really doji, but because that is the term that I find easiest for me, that is the reason why I qualify it as red doji. So when I see these long legged doji, and this was the candle that I placed my first stake on and I won. So that is the reason why I placed this trade. And you won't believe it, did I win or lose it? With the candle that shows up here, I lose this trade. So you guys can see it's just in 2 seconds. The previous picture that I show you, the previous chart, you can see it's just in 2 seconds it gave us doji. This is actually regular doji. Assume it is this is actually doji on uptrend. You are going to find it on downtrend. This one is doji, and immediately I spotted this doji, I know, okay, is after 1 2 I'm going to like see my a red candle. It's going to take maximum of two green and I'm going to see one more red. So that is the reason why I placed a trade here. And I was supposed to place $2, but I placed $1. When I realized I placed $1, I now placed another one that makes it $2. So that is the reason why you are seeing two arrow here pointing downward, and you can actually see what the indicator is showing, and I'm going to shock you with the next chart. I don't know if you can see this candle here, but this candle here give me another red doji, which means I won this one. And remember, I placed two trade. It is because the trade I placed here was very late, and I have to make sure I place two trade in order to recover my loss and win more. So that is the reason why this candle hasn't yet finished. And before this candle finish also, I won it. You can see what this candle is about to form is coming down, and it's coming down strong, and we should pay attention to this and this type of mistake, because I was lucky today did not mean I'm going to be lucky tomorrow. Candle that was coming down strong, this is what the candle formed in next 1 minute. And because I was not paying attention to the stake that is on that already stake, that is the reason why I staked five, because I thought I'm going to lose this. And this one, it gave me doji, and when it gave me doji, red doji, I also have like 80% sure that it's going to give me another red candle. So that is the reason why I don't even really look at the chart, because I'm sure about what I want to do. I just like take the trade, and I did not put I got carried away. I did not check the amount. So when I input five, you can see, and when I won, you see immediately the candle finished. I even enter, is it 1 seconds earlier? You see, I enter 1 seconds earlier. Sometimes these 1 seconds here, I might lose it and I might win it, but I just pray we all win, even if we try to make any silly mistake. So you see, I won the trade, and they added my 890, so I got 15.24. And this is what I was trying to say, The first trade I placed, I won. The second one, I won. I was supposed to place two because I lose this one and I lose it with this candle. I lose it when I saw this candle. I place it, I lose it. So this one, two is on this candle. This one, two can this candle. When I saw it, I was like, surely it's going to give me red doji, and it gave me red doji. You see, when it gave me red doji, what did I have? I also have these this red candle. But if you can see this one, you see a red doji, and if I should use Matinga, if I place one here, I lose. I'm going to place two here, I'm going to lose, and I'm going to place five here, and I'm going to win. I hope you all understand. No, I I placed one trade here also. So the trade I just took here is like I took these I took this, and I hit my $15. I hit it because the risk management wasn't really there. If I'm following proper risk management, I would be gentle, and it might take me like maybe nine to ten trade. I think this one is just six straight, and I win. I lose one. I think I lose one or two, and I win the rest. So that is how I just make my 50% profit today. So by tomorrow, I'm still going to do another thing. Then by next week, we are going to know what to do. Maybe I'm going to resume my live account, or I need to do something. But the purpose of this demo account, I'm saying it, and I hope you guys can extract something good from it. Do not rush when trading. Please don't rush. Be patient. Be patient.